Property insurance policies generally tend to exclude losses from faulty workmanship or errors in design. And the exclusions come in a variety of different forms. When people are first exposed to these types of exclusions, one of the questions that comes up is why? Why do insurers include these exclusions? And there's a very good reason. It's not the purpose of property insurance policies to guarantee or warranty the quality of someone's property. Rather, property insurance policies are generally designed to provide protection to insureds from losses that occur from external forces during the policy period. Faulty workmanship and design exclusions typically have ensuing loss exceptions. An ensuing loss is physical damage that results from an earlier loss. To determine whether there is a genuine ensuing loss, courts often look at two things. One is the loss caused by a separate, distinct, and independent peril? When I mean peril, I mean cause. And whether the loss consists of damage that's separate and distinct from the excluded faulty workmanship or materials. In one particular case, there was a steel kettle that was holding molten zinc. Now, this kettle had a faulty weld. As a result of that faulty weld, the kettle gave way and the molten zinc fell to the factory floor, damaging equipment. Now, the insured made a claim for the cost of the damage to the equipment, saying that was an ensuing loss, a loss that followed the excluded peril, or the excluded loss, which was the failure of the weld. In that case, the court held that there was only one cause of the entire loss, including the loss to the equipment below, and that was faulty workmanship. So in that case, there was no coverage for the insured's loss. When reviewing claims that might involve or potentially involve faulty workmanship or errors in design, it's very important to pay particular attention to the wording in your policy, because faulty workmanship and design exclusions vary greatly from policy to policy. And also, the law that might apply to those exclusions might vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction.